Patagonia, brand. Burberry, brand. Concert tee, same thing. Kanye shit, brand. Good old Nike, brand. Nosferatu, brand. You get the point. What is my point? Money, money, money. Clothes cost money. It's time to start your own unsuccessful streetwear brand in 2020. What's up, Metroheads? Welcome back to a brand new Friday video coming at you from the studio, from the bedroom, as always. And today's very special. They're all very special. In today's very special Friday video, I'm going to teach you how to make your own or how to create your own streetwear brand in 2020. Because brands are too expensive. As you saw in the cold open, stuff costs money. If you can't buy them, join them. That's the saying, or that's what I always say. I think it's brands. This is my 13-step process on how to join your favorite brands in the everlasting and ever-changing streetwear game. And I mean, and who knows, 5 years it could go on to something else. But you want to be here right in the now. It's COVID, it's quarantine business. You got nothing better to do. Let's start making our own brand. You know what I'm saying? Step 1. Choosing a name, the most important step by far, because if you have a terrible name, you'll crash and burn. We out here in the 2000 studios, so why not I teach you guys how to make streetwear with my own brand, 2000 Studios. You know what I'm saying? People who have been following me know the brand for at least like 6 months now. We already got some traction. So this might be, I might change this, might clickbait it to the most successful streetwear brand in 20. Step 2. Equally as important as step 1 is to choose a theme. And you're like, theme? This isn't a movie. What do you mean by theme, Metro? What are you talking about? Let me tell you something. Theme, streetwear, high fashion, tech wear, a merge of all three, a merge of two of them, a merge of one of them. Let's keep it simple. We're going with streetwear. This is high fashion? Not really. I mean, you see Woodbridge man's repping this stuff all the time. It's not really high fashion, but it is what it is. It's Burberry. It costs a lot. Not if you get it from Value Village, you know what I'm saying? Streetwear. Now you're asking me, what? But hold on. What is streetwear? Let me tell you something. Streetwear is people wear on the streets. It's everyday clothing that goes well with anything. That's the point of it. You throw on a t-shirt, a hoodie, a crew neck, a pair of jeans. It's streetwear, okay? It's the everyday man's getup. You can wear it every day. You can wear it casually to work. You can wear it out dining with your girl. You can wear it out at the club. You know what I'm saying? It's versatile. It's versatile. Alright? So my theme is streetwear because it's versatile and everyone can wear it. Rappers, singers, cooks, musicians, chefs, YouTubers. Step 3. The most, I said number 1 and 2 are important, but this is the most important step to creating an unsuccessful streetwear brand. Logo. Logo is key. Nike, the check mark. Simple as a check mark. You see that shit everywhere. It hits every single time without debate. You know what I'm saying? So we gotta pick. We gotta make a 2000 Studios logo. And we're gonna use Adobe Illustrator. That is the best in terms of what we're making right now. So let's get into it. Alright, now that you have your awesome logo, step 4, you need to ask for feedback. So I'm going to call my brother and see what he thinks about the logo. Yo, Riley!
Yo.
Step 4 is ask a friend how you think it looks. How do you think it looks?
Not good.
No?
No.
Alright, step 5 is don't listen, so I don't give a shit. Don't listen. They're just trying to take you down. They don't want to see you win. Number 6. Buy a plain white t-shirt from your local bodega or corner store. Rabba sells them, corner stores. I got Cotton vest with that Canadian flag, that's what we want, that's what I'm talking about. Step 7. Heat transfers from Walmart. Avery label is the best one. I use the dark fabric because it, in my opinion, retains the most color. It's a white sheet of material, it's like a white piece of material with that you print on, you know, just look it up. Just follow the steps and you'll get there. Step 8. What you're gonna wanna do next is use up all of your family's ink in the household with your printer. You're gonna want any printer, doesn't matter. I have an HP, we're going to the printer right now. All right, so what you're gonna wanna do, boom, HP printer, nothing special, regular ink. It uses 2 cartridges, CMYK and black. Take out all the paper, you don't need it. You don't need the paper that's in there. What you wanna figure out is which way stuff prints, which face down, face up. You're gonna wanna know that or you're gonna run out of tons of ink. I put it upside down. I've done this before. Put mine down like so. Next thing you wanna do is go ahead and print your shit. Print that sheet. And there you have it. Bada bing, bada boom. Step 9. See steps 1 through 8 until you've broken down numerous times in tears and frustration until you've settled on the logo you like. Step 10. Iron the patch on. Alright, we've got our 2000 Studios logo. Take off the backing. Sheet of parchment to go over so this shit'll just stick. And then iron, no water. And your sample is ready to go. We've got our lovely shirt here. Beautiful, beautiful logo. Step 11, step 1-1, double ones, have a photo shoot. Step 12. Take those photos you took, post them on Instagram, and never post about your brand ever again. Step 13. Repeat all 12 steps 1 through 12, until a rapper wears your brand in a music video or your parents tell you to get a real job. That was how to make an unsuccessful brand in 2020. I hope you enjoyed. Keep on the lookout for more and more videos. Smash that like button, subscribe, share, tell everyone. I hope you enjoyed this. If you want more how-tos and how-nots, let me know. Signing off, Metro. That was I had a good ending finally. Let me know what you thought about the ending. Now I'm just ending it all over again. Fuck.